1 acre. 1 acre like this, if you have to do onion and then it's done well,
Yeah.
at least if you did not get from 60, 50, 70.
In an acre of land, if you want to give us budgets, how much you want to spend on fertilizer, labor, all those things. Can let's say 10,000.
No,
Welcome once again to the Onion series part 2 with Mr. Matthew, who is an experienced onion farmer, vegetable farmer, any type of farming here in Dowenya in Ghana. And so in the part 1, we talked about nursing of your seeds and then transplanting. After you fertilize the second time, how do you maintain your farm in terms of the weeds? Because here right now, I see that there are some weeds in the onion.
with the wheat, you have to be approaching it.
Okay.
You have to be approaching it. And then you have there are this chemicals that you need to spray. There are sometimes that doesn't help. But you can, with that chemical to spray, you can only spray when the onion stays much slow. Let's say maybe within a month, if you plant it from the first week to a month, you can be spraying it. But when you get let's say a month, 2 weeks, or a month, 3 weeks, or that, you don't have to spray this once again. Even sometimes, like most people don't spray. Most people don't spray. It's not like you are taking it. But some I forgot. But with the planting, the day you plant, the first watering that you do, there is this the one chemical you call
Stop.
yeah, that is good also. So that to prevent the leaf from coming out.
Okay.
So at least sometimes if only the place your farm, you don't have this tiger nut because only the tiger and not disturb a lot. So maybe if your farm there are no tiger nut there, you will spray that one. It will take more than a month before you begin to see it. The leaf is going to be one.
So when you see them like I just have to but in a case where they are coming, there are a lot in your farm, and then your farm is huge. How and you are looking at picking all that. Maybe we are talking about 10-acre onion farm, and then you see a lot of weeds. It will be difficult to approach them one after the other like that. How do you work on something like that?
Well, with that one, you have to buy a
What?
10.
10, 10, okay.
Yeah. You buy that one. That's why you always put that cola,
Well,
the lead.
okay.
The major is just only with that one.
Only that one.
Yes.
Then
You fill one time.
okay.
You spray.
Hey, then it's a strong some
Seriously.
a strong chemical. You just take the lid of the bell cooler, small, and then fill one tank.
Yeah, then you spray. So you spray that one. And this the next day now, even if you spray today, this morning, let's say within some hours time, if you can you see difference.
And it won't touch the
It will tell the onion. But that time it doesn't tell the onion.
everything.
It will tell the onion. But in case you over measure it, that is why it will affect them. Like it will hold it for some days before it will not use it. Because that medicine is very, very dangerous. That's the only thing. And then you have one tree, you have garden sugar. You know, like you have a different. Yeah. So you have the garden sugar one, like that one, less this type of gas.
Okay,
This one, that's the only thing that one can do. But with the other one, with the French one, that one, like, you can't kill this one, but it will only bend the top.
okay.
But with this one, it will bend everything.
Okay, so when you get to that point, I think how long you said it takes 70 days to harvest.
Yeah, the harvesting is sometimes it depends on you.
Okay.
When you get to 70 days, even when you get to 65 days person, and you like you want it, you can have it, but it's not good to harvest it by that time. At least if you can't wait, and it's just give it up to 70 days. So from 70 going, it doesn't wait 3 months.
That's too much. About
Yes,
2 weeks.
yes, it doesn't wait 3 months. You have to leave it because when you leave it, going to wait 3 months, and when you are not careful, it won't hold. It will rot.
It will rot. Okay. So by then they are ready.
Yes.
And if it rains, the water too, it's just like putting onion in the house, it wets, it wets down.
So let's say, and then we're getting to the harvesting period now. You have to stop the water
Okay.
at least for 1 week or more than a week.
So that it will dry.
Yeah, so it will dry.
Okay.
When it dry, you see that the color will become more like it will become like and it will be very very nice.
Oh.
If the water is still a little, then you harvest it that way. If you keep it like you can keep it for you.
Oh, okay. And now let's go to the harvesting and the money aspect. We are in 2024. Today is 25th September. So within this season, how much do you think the onion, a bag of onion? Because here we don't really weigh it. So the brown long sack, and then we have the red. I've forgotten there's a name for it, the red net.
Yeah, but here we do it better. We will use the brown one.
The brown one. So how much is the brown one right now?
No, the price, like this one, the price is not fixed.
It's not fixed. Okay.
It's not fixed. So right now, last year, it started from 750. From then moved to 800, 900, and then came to 1,000, and then later now went to 1,000, 5,006. That would be those who have the last, maybe next month ending.
Okay.
That is when the price will go high.
Okay.
But now, let's say now today, the price, some are saying 1,002, 1,010, and then some are saying 1,004.
Between 1,000, 2,000, 3,000.
2,004.
Okay. And then you have about 2 acres, right? Or,
Yeah, 2 acres.
So is this your first harvest? Is this your first onion you've done, or you've done some on this land? Or
No, listen.
it's not your first. Okay. So how many bags did you get?
Well, last year,
2 acres.
what I didn't do all.
Okay.
The one that I did was not even up to, it was not even up to 1 acre.
Okay.
But it was more than half.
Okay.
So when I did it too, the onion was good.
Okay.
But just that the day of harvesting, it rained.
Okay.
And that is what the onion hits. When you get to harvest like that, it rains. Sometimes it's very, very. So because
So you lost.
yeah,
some.
but I didn't lose.
Okay.
After all that, I still get my money. Then I also
But do you know how many bags you got? Because
yes,
I want to hear
29 bags.
29 bags, and it's not up to 1 acre.
No.
So let's say.
So next, like 1 acre.
Mm,
1 acre like this, if you have to do onion and then it's done well,
yeah.
at least if you do not get from 60,
Mm,
50, 70, you may
okay.
get.
So between 50 and 70
Yes.
bags from an
Yes.
acre land.
Yeah,
The,
that,
the brown long bag.
yes.
Okay.
That is when you
That's-
plant it and then nothing happened to it.
Okay.
All is
okay.
intact.
Okay. So all
Ah.
things being equal, everything
Yes.
goes well.
Yes,
You should get 50, between 50 and
yes,
70
between
bags.
50 to 70.
And that's a lot. So if this season is sold between 1,000 and 1,002, and let's say there's 1,000 cities times, let's say worst case scenario 40 bags, you are making about 40,000.
Yeah.
That's some good money. And then in an acre of land, if you want to give us budgets, how much you want to spend on fertilizer, labor, all those things. Let's say can let's say 10,000.
No, with that one, uh, That means the seed, the money you used to buy the seed is
Yeah.
part of it.
Yeah, everything.
And now the seed, no, because of the seed, that went to that's our first price.
Okay.
For last year, we bought it 200 cedis.
Okay.
This year, when it came, it was 750.
Hey, from 200 to 750 cedis.
Yes.
And how many cans did you use?
It's
8.
yeah. But all the seed didn't stand well.
Okay, stand well. Okay.
So maybe apart from the seeds,
Yeah.
if you have the seed ready, or if you get the seed ready, and then you have your tooth.
Yeah.
That when the expenses is spent all like you will spend a lot.
Yeah.
But if you don't have the tooth, and then you now have to buy these things, it will cost you a little bit. Yeah, it will cost you a little
And
bit.
that's for the first time.
Yeah, that's
Because
for
when
the
you're
first
starting,
time.
you spend a lot.
When you're starting that way, you spend a lot.
Okay.
Let's say 2 acres. If you have to start, and let's say you just rent the land
Yeah.
without anything.
Yeah.
So you have to get your machine, and then you get your tools,
Okay.
then your pipes, and then, yeah, the things that you have to get, and then you get a spraying machine, and then yeah. So let's say roughly if you are to do 2 acres, maybe as a first time or as a beginner, at least, and then you have all those things, and it's now that you have to buy them because of now how things are now costing the market. At least if you don't even have the amount that you can manage, um,
30,000.
yeah, 30,000 will be okay. Yeah, for 30,000 to be okay. Mhm. Because the most important thing is for you to get the machine, you get the tools, and then you get your pipes, and then you get the seed ready. Yeah. So when you have all those things ready, then you know what. Okay.
Alright. But in your own experience, would you say onion farming is profitable?
Yeah, yeah,
It's good money, makes it
yeah,
good.
it is more. It is more. It is more.
Alright.
But you know that when like this, it's either you gain or you lose. Uh-huh. So maybe in case like and then the year it's just every year in the each problem. So but for onion, at least even if you say you lose, it's not just that you can't just lose just without getting anything.
Alright. So I'll be bringing you a lot of interviews with Matthew. He's based in Bolivia, here in Accra, Ghana. So I'll be contacting him a lot, and then we'll be bringing you a lot of interviews from tomato farming, cucumber farming, everything that he knows. We'll make sure that he teaches us a lot. Thank you for sticking through. And my name is Efo Selassie, and this is the Onion series. You can check my playlist. There's the onion farming. You can go there and you see a lot of interviews on onion farming. Thank you very much for sticking around, and make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button. Thank you.